We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can reset Bluetooth password on this DJI RSC to gimbal. So first you will need to open the gimbal settings by pressing the side dial button, then look for the advanced options, open them, here go into other, and select the restore Bluetooth password option, and to confirm it, to actually perform this action, press the dial in, then confirm, and that will be it. The Bluetooth password has been resetted successfully, and the default Bluetooth password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, or just 1 through 8. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.